For an intense moisturizing treatment, mix equal parts of our ultra-rich moisture mask and oil treatment together. Combined, these two products can provide a powerful source of moisture and protection. After cleansing, towel dry and gently detangle with a wide-tooth comb or using your fingers. Beginning at the ends and working your way up toward the scalp, apply the cocktail generously. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Style as usual. Hair is left restored, manageable, and vibrant.